Aristo has been known for product innovations over the past many years, and this is one of our latest innovations. This is the Infinity series of our wardrobes. As you can see, we call it the Infinity, rightly so, because of the height. This goes up to 10 feet or 3 meters. So inside we have the carcass. This is a single carcass with a full oak carcass. We have the lit up shells from Aristo, and we have a lot of the new Aristo accessories as well. Similarly, in the center here, we have some more examples of the full height carcass. Here are some more accessories that we have introduced from Aristo. Please do get in touch with Aristo. We have a great set of products for you, including this Infinity wardrobe from the Aristo O series.